was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about you. Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Guys, today I'm teaching you the powers in feeding a dog. When you feed a dog, what you are going to get. Yes, when you feed a dog, what you are going to get. I make a video on each and every animal has a spirit, and each spirit has what represents the spiritual realm. That's why when you meet a spiritualist, you have a particular place, they will say, okay, kill this, do that, okay? So today, guys, I'm teaching you the powers in feeding a dog, okay? If this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important video from me. And if you find this video helpful, do well to hit that like button to show that, yes, you love what I do. Don't just watch and go. That is selfishness. Okay guys, I wouldn't want to waste your time today. All you need for this is any type of food at all you can offer a dog. But most time I prefer using the food that the dog likes. We all know that nothing the dog likes more than a bone. Yes, the dog likes bone, okay? So most time I normally use bone, and if you cannot have access to bone or meat, you can use any type of food. All you have to do is this. Probably you do this when you believe somebody is planning anything evil against you. Maybe somebody is planning that they will sack you for work so that they will get his position, or they will transfer you for where you are, or maybe somebody is planning that you leave a particular place so that they can be in charge, or is planning anything at all that will be against you, that you know anybody is planning, whoever that person is. All you have to do is that get food. After you have gotten that food, any type of food at all, but me, most time I like using the food that the dog likes, okay? After you have gotten that food, in the morning before you talk to anybody, probably either Wednesday or Friday 100%, Wednesday 95%. You can do it Wednesday or Friday, depending on if you want to do it fast, okay? Then you in the morning, once you wake up around that kind 5, you know the day has not broken, okay? Around that kind of 5 in the morning, before you talk to someone, you carry the food. You must have prepared this food and keep it the night, okay? So you carry the food with your 2 hands, okay? And you remain naked, face where the sun rises, and speak on the food. Let the food be close to your face so that anytime you are speaking, the air that is coming out from your mouth will be going directly to the food. You said anytime a dog vomits, it is the dog that will go back to the vomit and eat it with his own mouth. So anytime anybody plan evil against you, that person will use his own head to carry. If you have a particular prayer point, maybe somebody is planning that they will remove you from a position, they will withdraw a contract from you, maybe they want to withdraw a contract from you. Say anytime a dog vomits, that dog will go back and eat the vomit by himself. So whoever has planned that they will eat, they will take contract from me. So that person will withdraw his statement. That person will have resist. He will have several reasons to withdraw what he have said against me. Anything at all they have said against me, the person will have several reasons why he will go back and withdraw whatever they have said against me, so that I will be free from whatever they have said against me. As long as anytime the dog vomit, it is the dog that will use his mouth to eat that vomit. So the person will definitely, anything the person have planned against me, the person will definitely use his head to carry. After you have made these prayers on it, you repeat this prayer 7 times on that food. Yes, you repeat the same prayer several times on that food. When you are done praying on that food, go and feed it with a dog to a dog. If you don't have dog at home, maybe probably there's no dog in your house, maybe you probably will want to look for where dog is. Okay, when you are done making the prayer, keep the food. When the day has break, so anytime you see food, that's the same. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscription button, okay, and turn on the notification bell, like the video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group for free, comment in the comment section I want to join your WhatsApp group. I will definitely add you to my WhatsApp group for free. And anything you don't understand, do it to ask your question. I will definitely get back to you. See you guys in the next video.